3 homemade healthy drinks to replace collagen supplements, protein powder, and multivitamins. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of spending money on collagen supplements, protein powders, and multivitamins, or if you're just looking for natural, healthy alternatives, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 3 powerful homemade drinks that can replace these supplements using simple ingredients packed with nutrients. Let's get started. Drink 1. Collagen-Boosting Citrus Berry Smoothie. First up, we have the Collagen-Boosting Citrus Berry Smoothie. This drink helps your body naturally produce collagen, a protein essential for healthy skin, hair, nails, and joints. Many people don't realize that your body needs vitamin C to make collagen, and that's where this smoothie shines. Ingredients: 1 orange peeled, high in vitamin C, which boosts collagen production. 1 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, loaded with antioxidants to fight free radicals and protect your skin from aging. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which keep your skin hydrated and supple. 1 cup water or coconut water for hydration and electrolyte. Just blend everything until smooth. The berries and orange create a vibrant, tangy flavor that's as delicious as it is nutritious. This is your natural collagen booster, no need for pills or powders. Plus, it's full of fiber, which helps improve digestion and overall skin health. Drink 2. Protein-Packed Nutty Banana Shake. Next, let's make a protein-packed nutty banana shake. This drink is ideal for anyone looking to build muscle, repair tissues, or just stay energized throughout the day. It's plant-based, making it perfect for vegans and those who want to avoid dairy-based protein powders. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, a natural source of carbs and potassium, great for muscle recovery. 1 tablespoon peanut butter or almond butter, packed with protein and healthy fats. 1 tablespoon ground flax seeds or hemp seeds, adds extra protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and fiber. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, or any plant-based milk, low-calorie and nutrient-rich. This drink is a powerhouse for protein and energy. It's also great for post-workout recovery because it replenishes glycogen stores while repairing muscle tissue. Tea's creamy, delicious, and free from artificial additives, everything you need in a protein shake. Drink 3. Multivitamin Green Power Juice. Our final drink is the Multivitamin Green Power Juice. This juice is like a multivitamin in a glass, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support your immune system, detoxify your body, and improve energy levels. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach or kale, packed with vitamins A, C, and K, plus iron and calcium. 1 celery stalk, provides hydration and anti-inflammatory benefits. 1 green apple, adds natural sweetness and is high in vitamin C. 1 half cucumber, excellent for hydration and skin health. 1 slice of ginger, optional, improves digestion and reduces inflammation. 1 cup water, helps blend everything smoothly. If you don't have a juicer, don't worry. You can blend these ingredients with water and strain the juice for a smooth, refreshing drink. This drink is a great way to get your daily dose of vitamins and minerals in one go. It's also fantastic for improving skin health, reducing bloating, and keeping you energized all day. And there you have it, 3 nutrient-packed homemade drinks to replace collagen supplements, protein powders, and multivitamins. They're easy to make, cost-effective, and completely natural. Plus, they're delicious. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a little health boost. See you in the next video.